Find anything on this thing.
Tablets and smartphones are everywhere. They're being used more and more for shopping. Consumers already spend billions of dollars shopping on their mobile devices. Undoubtedly, they will spend even more in the years to come. There are huge opportunities in mobile shopping. Those opportunities will be even greater if the mobile shopping experience were better. Shoppers want to focus on finding items they're looking for, not learning the user interface for a shopping app. We believe the most natural and easiest to use interaction for mobile shopping is based on a graphical and spoken interaction with an intelligent software agent or shopping assistant. Here we see a shopping application for children's clothing. Starting with a simple search, we then show how easy it is to restrict the search by price. This can be hard to do in a purely graphical interface. Also, a graphical interface usually forces the shopper to select one of the app's price ranges. With voice, the shopper simply enters the exact price range she wants.
Hi! Welcome to Dimples. How can I assist you today?
I'd like to look for some blankets.
There are 97 blankets.
Let's just look at the ones that cost less than $100.
There are 64 blankets cheaper than $100.
What if the user likes one of these? She could ask for more information, or just generally express interest in the item. The system is smart enough to figure out that if the shopper expresses an interest in an item, she'd like more information, and the agent should take the initiative to show it to her. In addition, the system knows what items are on sale, based on the product database, and can conversationally include that fact.
Soft Minky Blanket Floria is cute.
I found more specifics for Soft Minky Blanket Floria. Remember, it is on sale for $31.50.
If the user wants to think more about an item, she can ask to put it on her wish list explicitly. Here the system understands that thinking about an item means saving it on the wish list.
Great, I'd like to think about that one.
Added Soft Minky Blanket Floria to your list.
The system proactively shows the user the wish list to confirm that the new item will be remembered. And since the user is looking at her wish list, she might notice something that she wants to edit, and she can do that by voice, or combine voice and touch as well.
Skipper Boat Shoe Socks by Trumpet.
Let's make that 3 Skipper Boat Shoe Socks by Trumpet. Let's make that 3 Skipper Boat Shoe Socks by Trumpet.
I updated Skipper Boat Shoe Socks by Trumpet to 3 on your list.
Okay, let's look for shoes now. Let's look for shoes now.
There are 6 shoes. I found the details on Simple's Baby Funny Navy sneakers.
After shopping for a while, it's easy to forget what you've looked at. An app might or might not have a recently viewed items function. Even if that function is easily available, there's typically no way to search within it. Here, she refers to previously viewed items by voice because the system automatically remembers everything the user has looked at.
Come to think of it, remind me what blankets I've looked at.
I've located 4 recently viewed blankets.
Okay, put good sport on my wish list too.
I add a good sport to your wish list.
I think I'd like to look at those in person.
Sometimes our user will want to look at something in person before she buys it. If the merchant has retail stores, it will be natural for the shopping assistant to find the nearest store and help the shopper with the location, anticipating the shopper's needs.
Sure, you could drive to the store. You are about 116 miles away and it will take you about 2 hours and 19 minutes to drive to the store. Here's the route.
Great, I'll be right there.
Sounds good. Have fun shopping. Okay, goodbye.
Finally, a natural mobile shopping experience is seamlessly integrated with the merchant's in-store experience. Our user's data travels transparently across devices so that shopping that starts on a tablet can continue in the store on the user's smartphone.
Hi, welcome to Dimples. How may I assist you now?
Remind me what blankets I've looked at. Remind me what blankets I've looked at.
There are 4 recently viewed blankets.
Thanks.
You're too humane. Nice to be appreciated. Okay, goodbye.
Some of the features of a truly natural mobile shopping experience include 1. Simplified access to information about the merchant's inventory, which is provided by tight integration of the conversation engine and the inventory database. 2. Provide services like offering to route the customer to a retail store. 3. Memory of shared experience between the user and the system, as we saw here with the conversation engine's automatic memory features. To sum up, this demo shows how natural the mobile shopping experience can be through the use of a powerful conversation engine that is easy to customize and supports natural spoken interaction.